Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. Today we are unboxing and flipping through the Cosmic Slumber Tarot by Tillie Walden. I'm so excited to finally get my hands on this deck. This is published by Sterling Ethos. It retails for, I think 20, doesn't have it. Oh yes it does, $24.95. So, on the back, it says, if the universe were to sleep, where would her dreams lead? Hand-painted and bursting with color, the Cosmic Slumber Tarot evokes imagery from subconscious and subliminal states. It's a tarot deck energized by a soulful warmth from award-winning comic prodigy Tillie Walden. So I'm so excited to get into this. Look at the packaging. It's so fun. It reminds me a lot of the Modern Witch packaging, which I am totally okay with. All right. Oh, what? It's a magnet. What? Take my money. This. Oh my gosh. Look, it's a magnet. What? Oh my gosh. It is beautiful. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so let's try to get all of her out here. All right, goodbye cardboard. You will be, oh no, you're stuck in there. Okay. Okay, well, we'll just leave you. Okay, so yeah, this is giving, I think it's the same publisher that did the Modern Witch Tarot, because this is like similar book style to that too. Look at how cute. Oh, and it's color. All right, so we're just going to go through real fast to see if there's anything that jumps out that we need to see. Nope. Okay, so just goes through. Oh, there's some spreads in the back. Yes? Yes. Okay. How to read the tarot and some tarot spreads. We got Daily Draw, 4-card, the Celtic Cross, Dream Path of the Spheres, of What Does the Universe Dream? Very cool. We got bonus cards too. We have the morning and the night. Oh, how cute. Okay, let's get into it. Look at the back. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. Very nice cardstock. Not gonna lie there. It is a gloss. You can see the reflective, but it's not terrible. So let's just keep going, shall we? Ooh. I really like the art style. It does have some borders, but I don't hate it. Ooh, I like this one. Oh, wow. Oh, look at the little baby. Very cool art style. I'm loving it. These feel really good in the hand as well. How cool. So vibrant. That is neat. Oh, what a neat death card. Okay. See, they don't always have to be scary. Oh, and an interesting devil card. Okay. I'm excited to see the star card. Aw, the color is just, I'm loving the color. It's so vibrant and the contrast is amazing. Oh, gorgeous. What? Okay. Very cool. So wands are torches. This is really interesting. So this deck has been out for quite some time. So I'm interested to know, I know a couple of you have said that you enjoy this deck. Do any other people enjoy this deck? What do you think? Is this on your wish list? Is this something that you were debating about? If you own it, what do you think about it? Do you use it a lot? Is it a deck that you tend to pick up first? I just like hearing everybody's opinions and thoughts because everybody's different. I'm loving the waves. Wow. The use of color in this is just phenomenal. I'm kind of speechless. I'm sorry. Like, I'm just taking in all of this. It's just beautiful. I don't think I own anything quite like this art style. Oh, I love this card so much. Sorry, that's beautiful. So I do have to point out too that there is diversity in this. That is phenomenal to see. I love all of that greenery. Ah, the morning, that is the other card, and then we have the night. Okay, we're gonna put these two aside because I just want to see what those might be read as in the book. So my one issue that I have with the Modern Witch Tarot is that the cards are a little stiff and a little hard to shuffle. So I'm wondering how this will be. Oh, they're not as hard to shuffle. Wow, okay. Yeah, they feel really good in the hand. They're not giving me too much resistance to where I don't feel like I can shuffle, but they're also gliding through really nice. Okay, is there a card that wants to pop out? Nope. Okay, we're going to read the Chariot. Okay. So we'll take a look in the book at Chariot and what that has to say. It's a beautiful card. Okay. Doo-doo. The Chariot comes racing into your life with a vision of victory. Step into the seat, grasp the reins, and close your eyes. You do not need to look where you are going. The direction in which you are headed should be guided by instinct. Be bold and trusting and unafraid of speed. The canopy above you signifies the night, and yet night is all around you. It is unclear how many dreams you are in right now. You have a primal will as strong as the lion that pulls you. In noticing their power, seek your own. It's right there with you, waiting to be used. Ooh. Okay, and I just want to take a look real fast while we are here at the morning and the night cards, and they were in the very back of the book. The morning greets you with dim light. This card reflects the chance to start over, the chance to rise into the day a little bit stronger than yesterday. Use the energy of the morning for beginnings, a new project, a new conversation, a new feeling. The night comes when you need it most. It is the place for you to sink into and escape. The long day is coming to an end, but the night allows you to extend it, to draw the time out. While everyone else sleeps, you will work. Use the night to its fullest. The moon slows down the clock for you, so you may have the time you need to face the problems ahead. That's so cool. Okay, so my thoughts and opinions on this deck. The art is beautiful, it's different, it's vibrant, and it definitely calls to me. I want to know if it calls to you because it is so different. I thought it might be a little chaotic at first when I ordered it because of all the vibrant colors, but it works beautifully. I don't hate the border. There is enough information in here if you are a beginner or starting out and this deck calls to you that you could use this and learn on it. The imagery is there for your intuition to use, and it's very similar to the Rider-Waite-Smith deck. So whatever you want to however I should say you want to learn, this will be a decent deck for you to start on as well. There is enough information in here for you. I don't see a lot of information on reversals, however, so if you want to learn about reversals, you might have to do some outside research. However, the packaging in itself is phenomenal. I absolutely love it. I feel like there was a lot of thought put into it. The quality of the cardstock is fantastic. And honestly, for $24.95, yes. Great price point. The quality is there. It is amazing. I'm kind of shocked right now. I can see why this has been a deck that a lot of people are enjoying. So I'm curious to know your thoughts. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this deck. And thank you so much for spending your time with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you are all being safe, drinking your water, staying well. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.